In 1911, the world's most famous painting was stolen by a man with a screwdriver and a coat. The Mona Lisa hung in the Louvre was protected by nothing but a glass case. Vincenzo Peruggia was just a handyman. He'd installed those very glass cases months earlier. He knew every corner of the museum. On a Monday morning, he walked in like any other worker. He waited for the gallery to empty, lifted the painting off the wall, slipped it under his coat, and walked out. For 24 hours, nobody noticed. Guards thought it was being cleaned or photographed. While police launched the biggest manhunt in history, Peruggia kept Da Vinci's masterpiece in a trunk under his bed for 2 years. The theft made headlines worldwide. Suddenly everyone knew the Mona Lisa's name. In 1913, Peruggia tried selling it to a gallery in Florence. The owner called police immediately. Peruggia served just 8 months in prison. The painting's value skyrocketed from all the publicity. The greatest art heist in history, solved by pure greed.